air fry chicken chop recipe. Add like soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, marinate for 2 hours. Add some white pepper. Okay, and white pepper you just marinate it and leave it for 2 hours. And then you need to chop your chicken breast or meat, whichever meat that you want to use. Okay, and add some, this is the white pepper. Okay, and soy sauce, oyster sauce. By the way, the brown sauce I make is actually in the bowl. I use the oyster sauce and cornstarch, add together, and then you will cook it. Okay, then after marinate, right, for 2 hours you put into the air fryer. Okay, air fryer at 180 degrees and for about 15 to 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how fast your chicken can cook. You try it based on your air fryer. So cook it. Okay, 180. So this is my chicken chop with my sauce. Okay, oyster sauce. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.